Dahil natanong ang Don Bell, sabi ay when you reach the 5-year mark or anything beyond that, why are still staying in the relationship? If you're not thinking about what's next, if you guys are not aligned with what's supposed to happen in the future or what you guys want, why are you still in the relationship? Ang sagot niya ay me thinking back to this world, tayo sa wakas, promo ere and how they kept and impassing they're aligned with each other and how they know each other dreams and goals. Just hit harder na wow, it seems like they really are planning their future together, no? Kaya pala after 5 years in a reel, they made a big decision na iwan ang love team. Nakalatag na ang mga plano sa future. Lord, please bless their plans and their future together. Paring Donato, kasi 5 years na kayo ni Belinda, di kayo na, ay. Aren't they like 5 years already or turning 5? So maybe they really do have plans to their future too. Matapos ang kanilang promo sa SM Lipa, Batangas at nagsinaman ang Don Bell kasama si Piolo Pascual, Direk Cathy at ang presidente ng ABS-CBN. Walang kapagod-pagod talagang dalawa, talagang gagawa at gagawa sila ng paraan para mag-me time. Sa vacation ay napakagaling ng mga netizen na makuhanan ng larawan na magkasama ang dalawa. At meron kang lumabas na larawan na habang naglalakad sa mall, sa kanilang mall show, ang Don Bell ay parang may nang hila kay Bell. Talagang makikita ang magiging reaction ni Donnie na ayaw niya talagang nasasaktan si Bel Mariano. Kung maaari na parang gusto na lang niyang yakapin abang naglalakad sila. Pero syempre mahihirapan si Donnie kung makayakap kay Bel Mariano. Kaya nakita ng mga netizen kung paano nagiba ang face ni Donnie matapos hilahan si Bel. Lahat ng napupuntahan nilang mall show ay may pa-cake sila dahil alam naman ng mga supporters nila ay talagang days na lang ay birthday na ng binibini ni Donnie Pangilinan.